Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. With Valentine's Day approaching on Sunday, I noticed that Julie over at Pouring Your Heart Out has a challenge or competition. I'm not really sure if there's a prize or anything, to do the best Valentine's Day pour that you can. So today I thought I'd give that a go. I'm pouring over an old canvas because I'm not sure how it's going to work out, and I didn't want to use a new one. But because I've been enjoying my flip cup pours, these last few pours, I'm going to be doing another flip cup, and then once that is done, I'm going to be pouring on a heart in the middle using the same colors. So the colors I've got today are a nice pearl red, it's almost sort of pink. We've got black, white, and then a deeper Azurean crimson. I've got a silver sparkle, which is silver with some glitter in it. And then we've got a nice light pink. So all the colors of romance. I'm not really sure how this is going to work out. So let's give it a go and see. First things first, I'm going to stack up my 3 flip cups, and I'll get back to you once that's done. Right guys, there we go. I've stacked up my 3 cups. Double layers as usual. I've actually made a little bit too much paint, which means we'll be doing a leftover paint pour for the next one. Probably a Dutch pour, because I haven't done one of those in a while, and I think these colors are going to go together really nicely. I've also layered up a jug, which I'm going to be doing a heart pour in the middle once we have done the initial flip cup pour. So guys, hold thumbs. I hope this is going to work nicely. I've tried to clean the silicone off this painting because I did have some in to create these cells, so I'm hoping that it's not going to cause too much of an issue. I have put silicone into each of the paint colors as normal, and I'm just hoping that we're going to get a good result here. There's a lot of red and pink, so I'm not sure if there's going to be as much contrast as there was with the other pictures that I did. This one's just looking a little bit low. I'm just going to add a bit more. Right, that looks good. Let's get our first cup down. There we go. I'm getting better at that. The first one wasn't great, but compared to the first time I did it, it's looking a lot better. Already less wastage. Right guys, let me get my actually I'll put my gloves on later. Let me do the little flip and drag, and let's see what we come up with here. Right, there we go. Let me get my gloves on, and we can get tilting. Already got some nice cells coming up there, so once I flame it, I'm hoping it's going to look really good. So let's get going with the tilt, guys. Right guys, there we go. That is looking absolutely gorgeous. I'm just going to quickly do the edges. Right guys, there we go. We are, actually I've just missed a little section here. Let me just fix this up. Okay guys, there we go. We are primed for cellular explosion. This is the bit I always love, because it doesn't look like there's going to be many cells at the moment, but once we start flaming, I'm sure we are going to get exactly what we're looking for. So let's have a look here and see. There we go guys, the cells are starting to develop, which is great. Let's see if we can get a few more coming out here. Make this an amazing Valentine's Day pour. I hope you guys have got nice plans for Valentine's Day. We're actually having a Valentine's Day brunch for some of our friends. Very small because obviously there's still corona restrictions in place. But it'll be nice to get together and have a few drinks, some champagne with them and celebrate the day. So yeah, I hope you guys are also going to get something done on the day. Right guys, I like it. I think it looks very Valentine-y. Lots of pinks and reds, a little bit of black, and obviously it's going to be some silver glitter coming through, which is going to make it look really good. Now this next part is the part that I'm a little bit concerned about. I'm going to be doing this little pour, and I'm not sure whether I should map out the heart shape just with a little toothpick or something, just so I know where it is, or whether I should just do it freehand. I'm not really sure. And now I'm just going to be doing a little circular pour in that shape, and I just hope that it's going to look nice. I just need to go really slowly. Right, there we go guys. It actually looks really nice. And then there's going to be obviously a lot of paint on this section because I haven't stretched it, so there's going to be a lot of paint piled up in the middle there, but that's alright. Once it dries it should be good. Right, that is looking actually very good. I've actually did too much of the mix, so I've got a lot of this jug left, and I'm just wondering whether I should go over this again, because this section here is just a little bit wishy-washy. So right, there you have it guys, my entry into pouring your heart, Julie's Pouring Your Heart Out challenge. I really like it. It's different, mixing two techniques together, which is quite cool. I hope it's going to dry nicely, but I think the colors are spot on. It's exactly what I was looking for. Some good contrast, and of course the big Valentine's Day heart in the middle. So yeah, a success. So that will be it from me today guys. Hope you are having a good week. If you are interested in entering into this challenge, just head over to Pouring Your Heart Out on Facebook. Julie has a little listing there where you can post your results. It'll be great to see what everyone else gets up to this Valentine's Day. And yeah, I hope you have a good Valentine's Day as well. Hope that you've got someone special that you can share it with. And if not, just get yourself a bottle of champagne and enjoy it on your own. Guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Channel subscriber count is going up and up. My last video didn't have too many views, which was a little bit disappointing. I'm not really sure how the algorithm is working on YouTube, because the week before I posted my video at exactly the same time and it got, I think it's over 600 views now, and my latest one got 36 views. So I'm not really sure what's going on in terms of people viewing the video, but hey, I guess we're at the mercy of the YouTube algorithm just like everyone else. So that's it guys, have a good day. I'm going to cut to the close-up now. Cheers.